This old guy DIY video has to do with repairing an area of pavers at the home of a hot chick that I know that happened to fall in. So apparently the soil beneath these pavers gave way. You can see how it fell down. What I'm going to do today is take a couple of screwdrivers, remove these pavers, see what's underneath there, and then I'll either fill it with Quikrete or sand and then replace the pavers so we're back to a level surface. I've removed the affected pavers. This is what the area beneath it looks like. I went to a nearby beach and got a bucket full of sand. So today I'm just going to fill this thing with sand. And then if it falls down in a couple of years, I'll put Quikrete in there instead. In an effort to have this fix last for a while, I grabbed this spud bar, and it looks like the material has faded away to the inside there. So I'm just going to jam as much in there as I can before I dump the sand in. Well, I expected that one little bucket of sand would fill this in. This is bucket number 3. And what I'm doing now is I started working from this side, and I'm just bringing the sand up to the level that I need. I put in one brick at a time. I'm just working my way across. When it came time to replace the last 2 blocks, it was kind of tight. So I elevated them a little bit, and now I'll just kick them down with my heel, and they should force this pile to the left. Basically, that's the extra space I need, so those will go home. This job took me about 30 minutes. It's not perfect by any means. I'm going to take some of this leftover sand now and just dump it over the top of these blocks, and then I'll sweep it in so it falls in between these pavers. That should help lock everything together. Now I threw the sand on top that I intend to use as grout. I have a broom here. I'll just sweep it back and forth, left to right, then I'll go front to back and try to work it in. So I think she'll be pleased when she sees it. At least it's better than it was before. I'll probably be back in 5 years to do it all again. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and have a great day.